outside in the open.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kylashaii, whatever you want to say. And y'all, I've been consistent with these vlogs. I don't know if y'all can tell, but so you guys can see I just washed this hair. It was just she was stiff, okay? Really, like really exciting news. If you guys don't know, let me back up somewhere, something. Okay, so if you guys are new to my channel, I am Kylashaii. I'm an entrepreneur. I do graphics. I have my own website where the girlies can, it's kind of like, you know, if you're a hairstylist and you need a suite to work in, that's kind of what my website is for. Just for you guys, like, I use my platform to help others build up their portfolio, their platform and everything. But I also sell body care. I'm trying to get my skincare going. I feel like I'm a perfectionist and I get upset when, because I know I really want things to go a certain way, but not even say I get upset, but it's okay. Life, that's, you know, it's a learning progress, you know. It's fine. So I am so excited. This is so crazy. So I sell journals. I have 3 different designs. I have a manifestation journal. I have a fill me up journal. This is like for you just to put your business ideas and things like that. Girl wasn't coming out. Thank you, whoever said bless you. I have my get your shit together journal. I'm so happy. So I did half of it by air and the other half by sea. So I have a lot. I'm just so excited. Like, this is, I'm so happy. I have a prompt. These aren't planners, these aren't activity books, but I have a prompt and basically tell you what to do with this one. So title each page however you, it says title each page however you like, things I need to do, goals for the day, game plan for the day. I add sticky notes. So basically what I do is they're just empty pages, and me personally, like, I know like some people like to have like activities and stuff to do in there. I just don't do them. I like to write. I'm a journal type of person. Like, I actually journal, so I don't get planners. I buy journals. So if you're a planner type of girl, you get a planner. But if you like to journal, you like to write, I suggest you get one of my journals right here. Okay. But yeah, so I would put like things I need to do today at the top, and then I'll put sticky notes of each item I have to do for the day, and then I'll peel it off once I'm done, and I still have my pages left over. But actually, what I think I want to do right now, it's 3 o'clock. I want to go to the store and get everything I need to get for these orders. Super excited. I'm glad you guys can like still follow me with this journey. I do have a separate page, but that was for my body and hairline. I'm taking a break from it because I want to focus. That's my main thing I like to do, is focus, and I feel like I can't when I'm doing so much. I do have a cooking series. That video should be up by the time y'all see this, all right? But I am going to cook some lunch. I didn't eat today. I'm a cook, so if you guys want to see me cook, you guys can tune into my cooking channel. I don't think I'm gonna keep doing cooking in my vlogs. I don't know yet. Okay, we'll see. But let me change my pants because, like I said, they have bleach stains on them, and we're gonna go to the store and see what all I want to do for my journals. But I'm just so happy they're here. I love it. I have a whole bunch. I'm so happy. Okay, y'all, so I got my Subway, and I be getting a sweet onion teriyaki chicken. Got my Sprite, and I got my little Sun Chips. First meal of the day. I feel like I'm going on a field trip. Y'all know how we used to pack our little lunches and go on a field trip. But I go in there, it's a nigga sitting down eating his food, minding his business a little bit, and then the other nigga was in line. I'm trying to complete my order. I'm trying to avoid eye contact, because I'm on the phone with Naya. It's some older guy. He in the way when I'm trying to get my lettuce and, you know, tell him what I want on there. He's just standing there. And then the lady at the register, she had laughed. But I didn't tell you that. But she had laughed because he was not paying attention because she was waiting for him to pay for his stuff. She said she had left or whatever. But, oh, now I made a mess already. Hold on. Girl. Oh, wait a minute, please. Let me put a little hand sanitizer on. But we are going to go to the post office. I want to see what kind of boxes these can fit in to make sure I'm getting the right ones. So I got my packaging that I needed. I'm trying to see what all I want to put in there with the journals. I brought mine just to see how it's gonna look in there. I ordered something from my favorite. This is from Nice Naturals. Y'all know when y'all be watching me do my makeup routine and everything. That spray mist I be using, this is from her. Okay, Nice Naturals. Real quick, one second. I'm getting on the elevator. I'm so glad I worked with my patients because I'm getting on the elevator. The elevator is 3, so the other one be acting funny, or both of them be down, or you only got one left, whatever the case is. So I was just waiting a good minute for the elevator, and I hear that it's people on. You can hear, hear people talking as it's coming up or going down. So it opens, and the white lady all like, really? And then I get on, and she's not saying it because I'm black or anything. She was just like, really? And I, scan my little thing and hit my floor. And then she's just like, is there only one elevator working today? That's what gave it away as to why she said really. She could have said really because of the conversation they had. It was only 4 people on the elevator prior to anything. Anyways, getting off the elevator, and I was like, have a good day. None of them, it was a black girl in the elevator too. But none of them said you too, nothing. But I said, okay. I really don't care about y'all. My thing is, like, you complaining that it's people on the elevator. Ma'am, you live in an apartment. Get a house if you don't want to be around people or whatever. Take the fucking stairs. I'm just confused, Child, anyway, I had to tell my boyfriend because I said I'm so glad I worked with my patients. But y'all, look what I got. I'm excited. So I have this Yoni bar, the Cashmere Rose Body Bar. I just know these finna smell good. I just know. So this is one she threw in here. This one's for my boyfriend. It says The Wood. It's a cleansing bar for men. So I'm getting this. Thank you, girl. Ooh. I had to re-up on my spray. I love that spray. Whenever I do my makeup, like, it just, ooh, yes ma'am. Here it is. And no, this is not for promo, y'all. I purchased all of these because I really do love her products. Like this spray. Cause I just love like body and skincare products. Like that's what I'm really on right now. Face bar. I got this one as well. And this last one is Strawberry Kisses Body Bar. So yes, I'm stocked up with my soaps, okay? I am right now, I know that, dang. Oh, I have this right here. I need some thank you cards. I need to see what kind of boxes I even want to put my journals in. Because especially, I want it to be able to fit 1 and to fit 3, like the girlies, or just 2, whatever they order. Okay, so actually I want to take some product pictures of my journals so I can upload to my website. And I can post them tomorrow. I'm sorry, it's dark. So this is my photography camera. This is the EOS R. She is beautiful, okay? She takes amazing pictures. But I need this SD card that's in this camera, so I can't film me taking these pictures because the other SD card I'm using is. I'll be right back. Good morning, you guys. Today it's Monday. Actually this weekend I did not. Okay, I did my thank you cards. I had to go pick those up today. They was actually already ready, but I didn't check my email to see. Think of what I did. Oh, being exclusive, contracts and forms, like things like this to prevent, like, the whole back and forth with customers and clients when you have like a terms of agreements and stuff like that. Like, no. I'm gonna write down what I need to do in my Get Your Shit Together journal. And I sold out for the moment. Okay, just for the moment. Here is my journal. And then I have like how do I stay organized, goals for today, game plan for today, things I need to do, So I'm gonna title this first page, let's see, I kind of like to fold stuff like this, but I probably should just do it this way. I need
surprise you. Call me after the things I said. Skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down.
All right, you guys. So I'm getting the game rolling. It's 1 o'clock. Okay. Right now I just synced my calendar for my Zoom calls. So these are all the Zoom calls I have for this week. But I feel like I've been really organized lately, so things have been just going smoothly. I'm not overwhelmed or anything. It's something I really love to do. Yeah, because I really need to go to like Staples and stuff. I need my sticky notes. Like I need color. I cannot work and not have color. Like I go crazy. I want the grilled chicken sandwich, like the whatever the deluxe one is. We're getting some Chick-fil-A, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna just go downstairs and grab my journals and organize everything, and then we can head out. That's what I'll do. But so I made my post. The girlies are commenting their businesses. So let me refresh. Let's refresh. She added hers. I need to see when she can install my hair. Maybe one day this week. So you guys will see this hair installed on me this week. Well, I don't know when it's gonna be up, so let me shut my mouth. It is this one brand called Amavi. She's selling candles and different jewelry. I added this bracelet to my cart. I added what else I added? This bracelet, and I added these candles. I think is it that one? No, I got a different candle. It's coming up. Hold on. It has a little mark on it. Yeah, I got a candle. I'm seeing what else I want to order. This stuff is real cute, y'all. Okay, I'm just trying to see what else I want to order. My hair is a mess, y'all. I'm finna get it done this week. So she said she can do it this week. I texted her. She can get me in this week. Oh, the lemon twist strawberry.
Hi,
20 ounce of the lemon twist strawberry, please.
I'm sorry?
20 ounce of the lemon twist strawberry.
Sweet or unsweet strawberry?
Can I have sweet? Mmm. This drink is so good.
I'm outside in that damn G, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, ride or die, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in that damn G, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, who am I, all the niggas round me, ride or die, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Mm.